In a quiet village lived Nico, the judo master. Nico practiced judo by the riverbank. A tiny mouse, Miko, approached Nico, hopeful. "Master Nico, I want to learn judo." Nico looked down, amused but intrigued. "You? But you're so small." Miko, determined, said, "I have a big heart." Nico nodded, agreeing to train him. Miko learned judo with great enthusiasm. Miko tumbled and got back up. Nico taught Miko how to flip and dodge. Miko practiced throws on a tiny dummy. Big lessons come in small packages. The village square was packed with animals. Nico won a match effortlessly, crowd cheering. Miko stepped onto the mat, facing Nico.